Have you ever tried to bargain in English and ended up more confused than the seller? Yep, that's exactly what happened to me. Hi everyone, welcome back to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, the channel where learning English is fun, real, and sometimes a little embarrassing. So, today's story is called Minta Diskon Malah Bingung. Trust me, this one's super funny, but also full of useful English expressions you can actually use. It happened when I was traveling to Bali. I found this really nice t-shirt at a small shop. You know, those shops that sell beach clothes and souvenirs. I looked at the tag, and it said 350,000 rupiah. 350,000? For one t-shirt? Of course, my inner Indonesian spirit whispered, "Tawar dikit lah." So I tried to be polite in English. I smiled and said, "Excuse me, is there any discount?" Artinya, apakah ada diskon? The man smiled back and said, "Yes, of course." I was like, "Oh wow, that was easy." But then he continued, "You buy two, I give you one more. That's a discount, right?" Wait, I only wanted one t-shirt, not three. So I said, no, I just need one. Maybe cheaper?" Then he looked confused and said, "Cheaper? Oh, you mean you want smaller size?" Oh my God, she thought I meant smaller size, not smaller price. I tried again. "No, I mean, can you give me a better price?" Artinya, bisa kasih harga yang lebih murah nggak? He looked at me, smiled, and said, "My friend, this is already morning price. Afternoon price, more expensive." Morning price? I didn't know time could change the price. At that point, I just laughed and said, Okay, I'll take it. Because honestly, his confidence was priceless. But after that funny moment, I learned something very useful. In English, if you want to ask about price politely, you can say things like, "How much is this?" Artinya, berapa harganya? "Is there any discount?" Apakah ada diskon? "Can you give me a better price?" Bisa kasih harga yang lebih murah? Or, if you want to sound extra polite, you can say, "Would you mind giving me a small discount?" Apakah Anda keberatan memberi sedikit diskon? Sounds simple, right? But the way you say it, your tone, your smile, your body language makes a big difference. Because when you say it nicely, people usually respond nicely too. If you just say, "Give me discount," that sounds rude. But if you say, "Is there any discount, please?" with a smile, boom, friendly and polite. So yeah, that's how my discount adventure turned into an English lesson. Next time you go shopping, try using these expressions. Just remember, don't mix up smaller size with smaller price. Thanks for watching today's story. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris, where learning English is always fun, real, and sometimes hilariously confusing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Halo teman-teman, welcome to Semua Bisa Bahasa Inggris. Di sini, learning English is fun, simple, and for everyone. Yuk belajar bareng supaya makin percaya diri ngomong bahasa Inggris. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's get started!